Hey, if you click this, you're interested in watching me speed clean this fridge the kind of old school way. Let's begin. I've been putting off cleaning this fridge for a while now, but I figured for my spring cleaning, let's start it off with cleaning this fridge. This fridge has a lot to take out. There's a lot of old food that needs to come out from the week before. There's also a lot of old products that need to come out, right? And I don't think so. You know how you watch a lot of those cleaning videos, especially fridge cleaning videos, and they have those like fancy vacuums and all of that stuff to clean? That's not how I clean the fridge. But if I had one, I probably would use it, but that's not how I clean the fridge. I have a more traditional approach, or I'll say old school approach. Everything has to come out, even the drawers and the glass and everything. I have to take those out of the fridge. Like, I can't just leave them in there. So I think that's why sometimes I know I'm supposed to clean it. I'm just like, oh, do I really have to clean this today? And I think that feeling is the feeling why a lot of us stray away from cleaning certain things in our home. And that's why, for example, you have some items or some places that you know in your home that really needs to clean and you put it off so long. It's not that you don't want to clean it, it's that you don't want to go through the process of cleaning it. But I had to tell myself that no matter what, everything that we do in life has a process. So it's either you're going to make that process more desirable, or you're going to make that process easier for you to do. And for me, making the process easier for me to do wasn't getting another tool, a new gadget or anything. It was doing it at a time that I was in like high vibrations, like I was feeling better, I was in high spirits, and I was in the mood to clean. So I know it's great to do things in the mood and find a way to do it out of the mood, because that shows discipline, but there's certain things I have to do when I'm in the mood, like cleaning the fridge, like cleaning certain things in my house. When I'm in the mood, I have to get up and go and do it. And that's what happened on this day when I was cleaning the fridge. I was in the mood. I didn't even have much music on. I had company, so it was, it was nice. It was a chill time, and it didn't take as long as I expected. And to be honest, it became very therapeutic after a while. I don't know, something about washing down the trays inside the fridge. As you can see me actually bringing it to my sink here. It's like it's actually in my sink. A sponge, soap and water, and just washing it down became very therapeutic because I didn't have any music in. So I was just in my thoughts, as I usually am when I clean. I was just sitting there in my thoughts, washing out the fridge and just kind of enjoying the process of it, which is strange because it took me so long to do it. If you also have your fridge to clean at home, let me know if that's how you clean the fridge, or do you also use the vacuum, or do you leave the shelves and the drawers inside the fridge and clean it that way? Is that how you clean your fridge, or do you take them out? Comment below and let me know if that's what works for you. Once I added some music and I was enjoying myself while cleaning, it started to feel like an adrenaline rush. So I just kept going and going and going until I was finished. Even at one point I was like, maybe I should sit down now. I was like, nope, keep going. And I kept on going and it worked out. This is why I continue to clean. That might sound weird, like a weird statement, because you're supposed to clean, but this is why I continue to clean, because after you finish cleaning, that like fresh and light feeling is like unbeatable. It's one of the best feelings to have. So if you're there and you're like you're not motivated to clean, just think about how things will feel so much lighter, your mind clear up, and just how you would literally feel after you finish cleaning. Think about that after feeling. To start from one thing at a time. Like, you know how people clean a whole bunch of things in one day? I chop that down. I might do 2, if so much, you know, especially when it's deep cleaning. Okay, this might look like a lot of wine, but it's really not. And these have been there for a while. They've done their time. But yeah, I do like to have a sweet wine from time to time. And honestly, like after I finish cleaning this fridge, I might just have a little bit of wine. But yeah, that I love having just a little stash of wine and keeping it in the fridge and leaving it really cool and nice. That big jar, this is like so off topic, but that is sorrel. If you're from the Caribbean, you know what sorrel is. I've had that in there since December. It has the rum in there, so it's not going to like really go bad. So yeah, just wanted to point that out. You know, when you do something with intention, do something willingly, do something that you wanted to do, you can tell the difference compared to when you do something in a moment when you don't want to do it, when you're not in the mood, when you're just not giving it your all and not giving it your energy. You can definitely tell the difference. And once I clean like that, like when I'm in the mood and giving it all, I can tell by how clean everything looks and just by how I feel and how proud I feel of cleaning something, and it just look amazing. So now I was like, all right, let me continue to the next part, because I was going to think, okay, let me do the freezer and like the vegetable tray on another day, but it was like, no, I already started, just complete it. Let's not put it off. don't know, but when me I clean, especially the fridge, I was like, yes, this fridge cleaning is very festive. Because it's one of those things where as I'm cleaning, I'm seeing things I forget it. I forget everything in the creases and cracks, like everything. I have to bend up myself and by your knees, everything, and figure out how I'm going to clean this. So that's what I was doing. I was like, okay, I'm going to push my bodies in certain ways so I can get the type of result that I'm looking for, and it worked out. Lucky thing I can, small up myself, like forgetting small spaces. But yeah, go on with myself. That's a fridge for clean. That's the freezer. I took it out and I'm washing it down. I'm not leaving it inside of the freezer and wiping it out and cleaning it. I do the leg room, the back room, the handwork. Take it out and clean it because that's a fridge but clean. Might have a new ways to do it, which is fine, but this way works for me. Thanks for watching. You can either watch one of my next cleaning videos or one of my talks. Until next time.